The popcorn machine is very self-contained. It comes with the bags and the popcorn. Make sure you plug in the popcorn. The kettle has a magnetic top. So when it gets to the top, it'll automatically magnetically stay to the top. This keeps it out of the way so you can put your popcorn and your popcorn and your butter in. So you normally put the popcorn in first. Make sure that that side is empty. Then you squeeze it, and that'll take all the butter, and that'll go into the kettle. Then you close down the lid. When you close down the lid, there's two switches. There's a kettle light, and then there's the kettle switch, which if you open it up, you can see the actual kettle spinning on the inside. You want to close this while you're popping the popcorn. Close your door of the machine so it's about 3/4 of the way full closed. You want to make sure you have it so it's a little bit empty. So what'll happen is when you're popping the popcorn, you'll actually start seeing steam coming out, and then you'll start to hear the sizzling of the of the popcorn. And when it's done sizzling, you'll start to hear the popping. And then the lid, you'll start to see the lid start to move as the popcorn starts to pop, and then all of a sudden it'll just start popping really quickly, and you'll see that here in about a second or two. It takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes for the popcorn to actually pop once you start it. After you get the kettle hot, it goes a little bit quicker, so your second batch and your third batch and so on will actually cook faster. There you can see now the popcorn starting to push up the lid, and then it'll start to come out, and as quick as it went, there it comes. And what you want to do is make sure when it's popping the popcorn, you want to close your door all the way so that you don't have popcorn shooting out. And then when it's all done popping, you'll start to hear it stop. You'll start to hear it finish popping. When you hear the last popping of it, what you want to do is you want to turn off your kettle. Reach in, turn off the kettle. That's the one on the right. Some machines are different. Some of the switches are on the bottom of the machine. Then you open up the kettle and you pour out the remaining balance. And what that's for, and then you just take to the top. It'll spin the little spin, and you take it back up to the top, and then you put your popcorn back in, and you can restart it again, or you can just serve from what you have now. What you're going to do is you're going to get a popcorn bag, take a cup or a spoon, pour the popcorn into the bag, and it's ready to go, and it's theirs for service.